Hello friends, attraction and repulsion of magnets. Here I taken two bar magnets. North pole, south pole is given on it. They are repelling. And I have taken two wooden wheels which I have cut through a machine which I have. And it's a PC roller I have taken from a laser printer cartridge. This is the position I am going to make. I have drilled a hole under the wooden piece so that I can fit in the PC roller. So I am as per size measurement I am cutting into two pieces. I have cut and I am going to punch them into the wooden piece holes. Taken, they should be of the same equal height. Now I am putting these wheels so that the opposite directions. On these wheels I am going to fix these bar magnets with help of the screws so that they are firmly attached, they are fixed onto the wooden wheel, so that when we have to for the demonstration of attraction and repulsion I have fixed it in such a way. Even we can make two cards and we can fix those magnets to the cards, and so that we can show the attraction and repulsion properties of the magnets. This is the full and final. Now north pole, same poles repels and opposite poles attract. South and north attracting, now north and north are now opposite poles attract, same poles repulse. The phenomena is opposite poles attract each other and same poles, similar poles repel. This is the project.